Yeah, so I know about kitchen cabinets because a friend of mine had a positive experience there and they said, hey, give them a go, check them out, and I did, and look, this is where I am now.
Honestly, it's the best that we've ever had. The quality is really great, everything's always on time, we never have any problems with ordering from you guys. We used to buy at Mitre 10, Bunnings, Stray Depot. It's cheap, but it's not long lasting, I guess. Like here, I feel like you could get a kitchen and it's going to last you 20, 30 years. And it was, we're just really happy with it.
Yeah, we went to visit their shop in the week and their range is a wide variety and awesome help, and the service we got there is so fantastic.
I heard about the kitchen cabinets and stone from an ex-work colleague who had a very good experience with them, and so he suggested that I make contact with them, which we did, and we went over and had a look at their showroom, and we sat down with Talia and designed a kitchen there and then.
I think if I was going to give some advice about other people starting off on the same process, I think take your time, consider all the different options and just sort of be relaxed about the process. Don't be in a hurry, and then that way you'll have time to consider what you want, what you dislike, and then you'll have a great outcome. Thanks Kitchen Cabinets for all the great work, I really appreciate it. Cheers.
We found the process very good because the showroom had most of the equipment and most of the cabinetry and bench tops that we could view and all the accessories, and we were able to work with Talia and integrate the bits and pieces into the kitchen that we wanted, and we found it very, very simple process and very quick and simple. It's worked well for us. The important thing for the kitchen for us was that it was a property that we were going to be selling. It was an inherited property and we needed to maximise the value for the beneficiaries. So we set about to get a kitchen that was going to be very market acceptable, look high quality, at not too much price. I definitely would recommend Kitchen Cabinets and Stones.